All right. I'm just going to get right to it. Today, I'm reviewing Boston Market chicken pot pie bites. Going forward, I will not be doing pot pie bites. Turns out the reason the conventional oven instructions are on the top because it's recommended, and also you have to take it out of a tray and put it on your own plate according to the instructions. So let me pull up my old review score because I don't remember what my criteria was. I noticed my last video was like 20 minutes and it really didn't have to be. So, um, here it is. Okay, so appearance. Honestly, considering I microwaved them, it's not bad. Like if we look at it, hold on. It's not terrible. Um, they should really be baked in the oven though. Um, so I'm probably just gonna give it like a. I'm gonna give it like a 6. Now ingredients. Let's see the ingredients. Um, I'm not looking for anything. I'm not. Ooh, MSG. Natural butter type flavor. We're gonna go ahead and give the ingredients a 7. I don't see any corn syrup in here. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna give it a 6 for the ingredients. Yeah, well, yeah. 7. 7 for the ingredients. You got MSG in here. You got natural butter flavoring. Um, well, you got natural butter type flavor, and then you got natural butter flavor. Uh, so we'll leave it at a 7. It's not the worst thing on the planet. Aroma, nothing to write home about, really. It's everything's on the inside of the fucking bites, so you can't really smell anything. So probably about a 6. I'll give it a 7. You can smell the crust, right? You can smell that. That's not bad. Now here we go. Taste. And I can already tell you my filling score because it's only 250 calories. This dinner costs the same amount as every other fucking dinner on the shelf for Boston Market. Same exact amount, and it's 210 calories. I've never had a pot pie bite before. Definitely needs to be baked in the oven. Definitely. But I'm grading it based off of everything I do is going to be microwave. So if something's better in the oven, I shouldn't even be doing it on this channel. Shouldn't even be doing it. This is a bad idea. But we're doing it anyway. Live and learn. Well, I can't really decide. The texture, since it was cooked in a microwave, and I have to judge it as a microwave meal, was is not very good. But I'm not rating texture. I'm gonna give it like a oh, nutritional rating. I might just stop doing that one. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop doing that one. No more nutritional rating. I'm not a gynecologist, so I don't know anything about nutrition. The reason I'm so quiet right now is I'm really trying to determine what the final score should be here for the taste. And I have to eat all of them to give an accurate filling rating, though I think it's going to be 3. But yeah, um, here's what it looks like. It's like a pizza bite, basically. All right. My taste rating. Apologize for a delay, but I was really trying to think of it. Is going to be a 4. I can taste what's inside. I can taste the chicken. I taste the peas. I kind of taste the gravy, but the texture is kind of weird because it's, you know, microwaved. If I would have baked them, I probably would be giving it a higher score. Yeah, it's gonna be about a 4. And filling, it's gonna also get about a 4. Actually, no, it's gonna get about a 3. So, all in all, I don't recommend them. So what we got for a final score here? Let me pull up my calculator. I got a 5.4. Just not very good. I mean, like I said, I shouldn't have even bought these for this channel because they're better in the oven. I guess you could say a lot of things are better in the oven. There's other frozen dinners that you traditionally cook in the microwave that you cook in the oven, they'll come out better. But this one, pretty much have to make it in the oven. And you also have to have your own plate. So, other than that, it was about 3 something, just like the other one. Which obviously, why would you get this when you can get the fajita chicken rice bowl? That's twice as filling, according to my rating, and tastes amazing, and has better ingredients. Why would you even buy these? Like, I don't even know why. Who's buying these? I can't think of a single market other than the one in Boston that would buy these. Because Marie Calendar makes these too. Them and Marie Calendar are the only ones I know that make these. And they stand by them, man. Marie Calendar is known for the pot pies too, so their bites might actually be better than this one. So I don't know. All in all, kind of dog shit. Don't buy it.